today we are demonstrating the AI-enabled community water watch platform. What it actually does is we are building this platform to solve the reports of the users, like to detecting the water quality and the water quality, and also it helps to pollutions, contaminations, and misuse of water. Like in the local authorities, we face the challenges in managing the water issues. Let's visualize this project. Like this is the login here. There are two logins. The users also login and officers also login. And in the user login, here some accounts. We will go through these accounts. Yeah, once the user successfully logged in, they can see their user dashboard, which is a user dashboard, and the water quality. This is the water quality platform. Like here the we can predict the quality of the water. First the users can select their location through the map, and the same location will be displayed here. And we have included the automatic parameters and IoT simulations. Currently we are not including any IoT sensors, so we are taken the data from the sensor modules from the API keys, and once it will yeah, after simulating the IoT sensors data, we can get this, and based on these values we obtained here, we can predict the water qualities. Yes, here the predictions result is obtained. Here we can see that the quality is contaminated, and the same report will be assigned to the officers that is in the backend. And with these are the locations and these are the parameters, and we can visualize this through the charts. And we for this affected quality, we can get some AI insights also. Like the AI can give some suggestions to how to get rid of this, and some solutions also. This is the AI solutions. And after that we have integrated data upload. What it actually does is what is actually does is yeah, here users can submit the water related issues like polluted, and by uploading the images. Like if user selecting any locations from the map and uploaded the any images that are obtained from the this. Once it is successfully uploaded, we can see that here the uploaded image is leakage detected. To detect that images, we have trained the AI model using the CNN convolutional network, and also with the tensor modules. And after that, once it is successfully uploaded, it is sent to the officers, and also the SMS will be also sent to the officers. This is the submitting the report issues, and we can see that the same report issues in the my report sections. These are all these are all the reports that are submitted by this particular user, and we can see that these are all the pending reports. They are not solved by the officers. And this is the community dashboard. What is this community dashboard means? It is helps to encourage the community peoples to make more engaging to this platform. They can upload their resources, and they can also make some comments here. And after that is the community leaderboard dashboard. Community leaderboard dashboard, they can see the how many reports they have submitted. Like this is like a leaderboard of the platform. This helps us to engaging themselves with this in platform more efficiently also. And after that, once the user logged out successfully, we can solve that reports. Yeah, here is the officer. Once the officers logged in successfully, and this is the officer dashboard. This is in the officer dashboard. We can see that there are total 5 number of reports are assigned to this particular officers. We can also see that assigned resolved reports. As of now, the no reports are resolved by this particular officers, and we can get some flow optimizations. Like what are the precautions measures that are taken by this particular officers to get rid of this more number of report that are available in the particular locations. Like we can view the dashboards. Like we can use the k-means clustering model. Like these are the reports are divided as a clusters, and they can see the priority level of the each reports and some recommendations and suggestions also. And this is the map that are where the reports are actually takes place. And we can go to the back to optimizations, and we can run the optimizations. It will automatically run it will real-time access when new reports are added. When we can again run this optimization to get new reports like that. As we can see that resolved reports, here the resolved reports, first users can accept that report. Once the user accept the report, the same messages will send to the users through the email. Like that is a real-time integrations. Like the user know that our report is started to progress. When user again start the progress, the same SMS and both email will send to the users. In that users can know that users know that their report is resolving now, and they can update the progress like how much of the reports is solved, and why they can add some notes like we are solving now. And they can choose the images and upload also. Yes, once the updation of the report is completed, we can see the progress here, and we can see the same progress in the user email also. Like this we can resolve the resources. And we once the resolve is completed, we need to upload some proof for that. So if I upload the proof for the resources like any new images, the uploadations of the resolve will be completed, and that same resolved resources we can see here. This is how the officers can complete the user re- this is how we can yeah this is how officers can resolve the reports of the users. And we have integrated the chatbot. What a chatbot actually does is it is helps both officers and as well as users to know about this platform. Like you can see that messages who do like to register for a login account, like that it will give some suggestions. Based on that, it will help the users and officers to solve the reports as well as to understand about this platform. We have included the chatbot also. And after all the reports are completed, we can see that this is the AI based water issue reports dashboard. Here you can see that how many total number of reports are submitted by the users, and pending reports and the resolved reports. And this is the some graphs and charts. And here the user can see that the locations, and here you can see the description is solved and status is resolved, like that. And in the community dashboard also, we can, if a new user is come, they can log in. Yeah. And they can upload their reports as to encourage them. And this is how actually we have built it. But in the future, we are trying to implement that, like the task distribution. Instead of solving the reports by the only particular officer, the officer can divide that available issues between a sub officers. And also there is a communications between the users as well as officers to make this platform more beautiful and engaging. This is we are trying to implement in this. Yes. I understood, Sakina.
We have included blockchain to our project. Once the user logins and reports a report, he will be credited with zero point 0.1 Ethereum. So like this, he has to select and upload a report. So the model classified it as leakage detected. So here he has been awarded with 0.1 ETH. You can see the balance has been updated from 100.4 ETH to 100.5 ETH. You can see also in Genak the balance has been updated. Also in MetaMask the balance has been updated. Thank you.